Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope that you are doing well, and those students who are getting around 80 marks in the UPSC prelims 2026 examinations, they are good to go to prepare for the mains examination. Okay, as you know that on our channel I have started mains model question and series with regard to PSIR optional, with regard to GS paper 2 polity and governance, and obviously international relations will be covered here. All of these and along with economy I will cover. All of these are majorly giving you more than 500 marks are with me. So you can prepare with me and you can be a part of my classes, test series and mentorship. I'll be very happy to handhold you till you crack the examination and score high in your mains examination. That will help you to crack the mains cutoff too. For that purpose, Sosin IAS Academy, I am associated with this academy. You can call to the number given in the description here and you can have a complete demo session with me physically or in person. You can come to the institute. It's one of the premier institute with good infrastructure and very awesome and leading management by the anthropology stalwart, okay, for UPSC, Sosin Revella ma'am. Okay. I hope that this is all clear to you, and let us start our discussion. This is the second model question and answer with regard to UPSC mains 2026. Discuss the Mekedatu dam controversy in the context of interstate river water disputes. If any questions comes in the context of, out of the context of, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Whenever they talk about examine the challenges, okay, and also give the way forward. Very easiest one, very important that you should be knowing it exactly. Why? Because there won't be much kind of interpretation until unless things don't go up to the Supreme Court. As because I will give you the little bit outline about this particular dam and controversy and river state aspects in a bit. But before going into discussion, let us have a light on this question. So you are going to discuss this Mekedatu dam controversy. You are talking about that this dam is proposed dam by the Karnataka government for what purpose, etc., and it has been opposed by the Tamil Nadu government. So that is a controversy, where it is located, geographical location, state location, and okay, that you are going to write some of the important aspects with regard to Mekedatu dam. Then you are going to talk about Interstate River Water Disputes Acts, how these act is performing over the years with regard to Godavari, Krishna. Many rivers are there which are still having the dispute between the states and states. So in this particular river water disputes act, what kind of legal, what kind of procedural, what kind of constitutional principles has been embodied, you can write here under article 262, etc., so and so forth. Then you can say that challenges means why this kind of dispute has not been resolved. If you come across my state, Godavari and Krishna has been unresolved since many decades, why this is happening, and what could be the best way out in order to make sure that these river water disputes should not turn into what political vendetta, should not turn into what political tool in order to criticize the government, should be looking towards what economic welfare and the human welfare aspect also. That is more important. Otherwise, if this is not solved, the opposition starts what criticizing the ruling government. But the problem here is not because of the ruling government is not able to do so, because the constitutional principles are as such, which does not allow much window to the CMs in order to solve these issues, and where the larger population is involved, again it becomes very difficult. Okay, that's the reason these controversies has been dragging from decades and decades. Okay, right, fine. So I hope this is clear to you how you have to approach the answer. Now let us go with this particular map and image. So Mekedatu, you can see here I will write what Karnataka government wants, and what Tamil Nadu government wants. Okay, here one by one I will tell you. First of all, let us see. Here in the Karnataka, the Cauvery River will be originating. Cauvery River originates in Karnataka, flows like this blue line. Okay, you are having other projects like Hemavati project is there here, Harangi project is there here, Krishna Raja project is there, Kabini there, Metturi is also there, and here, okay, at the border, this is the border between what? The Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Here they want to make a Mekedatu dam. Who want to make it? Karnataka government want to make a Mekedatu dam. They are saying that we are here only, just above or nearby. Okay, here only you are having what Bengaluru city is there. Bengaluru is a district also. It's a city just like my Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a city and also a district here. So they are saying that we want to have a dam here so that we can supply drinking water to what Bengaluru, and also we want a small hydroelectric power of 400 mega electro volt, that a power project we want to build, okay, across it. So this is how it is. Tamil Nadu government is here, and Tamil Nadu government is saying that if you are actually making a dam here, obviously what will happen, the areas here will get less amount of rainfall, so reduced cultivable land will be there. Okay, so I will tell you one by one. So Karnataka government wants to want to construct this dam for what purpose? To provide drinking water, right? Around to provide drinking water to whom? Drinking water to Bengaluru city, right or wrong? And they have also proposed a 400 mega electro volt of what? Hydroelectric power, right or wrong? Yes. Tamil Nadu government is saying that if you do that, it will impact our lower. Okay, sorry for that, because again the same thing, no, technology is always not perfect. So here we are in Tamil Nadu government argument. Tamil Nadu government is saying that so lower riparian, okay, lower riparian states will get what? Hampered. Means the lower riparian state is nothing but when a river is starting from here, and when a river is starting from here, here, okay, river is starting from here going like this, no, this is called as upper course of the river, middle course of the river, okay, and this is called as lower course of the river. So wherever the areas are there here, no, this is called as lower riparian areas, we call them as lower riparian areas. So Tamil Nadu government is saying the same thing, that okay, construction of Mekedatu dam will actually hamper, or which actually affect the lower riparian areas. This is one. Okay, and decreased amount of rainfall will be there. Decreased amount of river water flow will be there here. So decrease river flow in those areas, okay, ultimately will lead to what? Decrease cultivable land. Ultimately decrease cultivable land lead to what? Decrease production. Decrease production will ultimately lead to what? Decrease income to the farmers, and this area is basically considered as a rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Okay, that rice bowl of Tamil Nadu tag will get what? Completely shattered if this project goes off. So here the Bengaluru, the Karnataka government is saying that we want to provide drinking water. We want to provide drinking water, okay, and we want to also provide what? Hydroelectric. This is what it is. Okay, clear, fine. So both of them are having their own agendas, but what is right, what is wrong need to be decided or not. Yes, who should be given what, whether the dam is important or not, or its construction will really affect the Tamil Nadu state or not, all of that we have to decide. Okay, this is the controversy at this point of time. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, okay, Thalapathy Joseph Vijay has already met Prime Minister Modi ji with regard to concerns over this particular Mekedatu dam. I hope till now it is very much clear to you. Now let us go ahead with the answer writing. Okay, you have to start your answer in this way. The Mekedatu dispute. This is how you have to start your answer. The Mekedatu dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu again has resurfaced. Why? Because Karnataka's proposal to build a 9,000 crore 67.16 TMC balancing reservoir on the Cauvery River at Mekedatu Gorge. Nothing but Gorge is nothing but Mekedatu takes a like this. Cauvery takes a turn like this. Okay, it goes like this. It will take a turn like this. Here they want to have this particular Mekedatu dam. Okay, a deep gorge at the confluence of Cauvery and Akravati River, about 100 km away from Bengaluru. I have told you. Fine. So this is a normal understanding of what this Mekedatu project. Okay, Karnataka, it is between controversial project between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It has been proposed by Karnataka government, and the amount of money is 9,000 crore. This is the amount of TMC that they wanted to actually store in the dam. Okay, on the Cauvery. Okay, fine. So for the it is 100 kilometers away from the Bengaluru city. So it is going to be a multi-purpose intervention to secure the drinking water for the Bengaluru and nearby areas and to enable hydropower generation. While Tamil Nadu actually views it as a upstream storage that could alter the downstream availability. Obviously, they will be afraid, no, at a downstream they will not get much water like that. From Karnataka's perspective, the project is primarily for drinking water supply. Okay, for a rapidly expanding metropolis. The state has argued that balancing reservoir would help regulate flows and meet urban demand. Okay, that's what we have been discussing, and has also pursued administrative clearance. Also, they have pursued by submitting and updating project. Okay, detailed project report they have already given to Central Water Commission during the 24 to 2076 period, and they want this project to be getting faster appraisal and approval. So Karnataka government is very well full-fledged understanding about this. They know that what they are actually doing it. Okay. Right. Tamil Nadu government is objecting rooted in both law and riparian equity. That is what I have told you. It contends that any additional, if the Karnataka government, Karnataka stores any more water from the Cauvery River, it violates the Cauvery Water Dispute Tribunal award and the Supreme Court judgment of 2018 also. That is what they are saying, which together operationalize quantified release and a compliance framework. Means Supreme Court had told to the Karnataka government, you give this much amount of water to Tamil Nadu. Now if they build a dam, they will store 67 TMC. When they store 67 TMC, how could they give the share to the Tamil Nadu or not? Yes. So here Tamil Nadu government is citing that you are actually, the dam will go against what? Violates Cauvery Water Dispute Tribunal and also what? Supreme Court judgment. Okay, which together has already said that quantified release. Quantified means how many TMC you are going to release and you have to comply on it. Tamil Nadu also fears the reservoir could be used to withhold or delay releases, affecting the delta region livelihood, especially during the deficit year. It also frames unilateral pursuit of project as a contrary to the federal principle. Just like we are having a problem with the project, so Godavari, our KCR sir went to the, at that time we have having what, Eknath Shinde was there and Uddhav Thackeray was there. He went and he has discussed, so both the states have amicably resolved it in case of Telangana and Maharashtra. Okay, so unilaterally the Karnataka government is saying that we will construct it without asking Tamil Nadu government, without taking the cognizance of Tamil Nadu government problems. It also frames, that's why unilaterally pursuing the project is very contrary to the federal principle, arguing that upper riparian state should not be proceed without concurrence of the co-basin states. Very, very rightly said by the Tamil Nadu government. In May 2026, Supreme Court dismissed Tamil Nadu review plea, characterizing the objection as premature at that stage. Why? Because why are you so in hurry? They are not constructing. So why are you giving the objections now? You are in very hurry stage. Like that, Tamil Nadu, Supreme Court has dismissed their plea and indicated that matters should be examined through the institutional mechanism which was already established, Cauvery Water Management River Authority and Cauvery Water Regulation Committee. For any technical and compliance scrutiny, go to them. Why are you coming here? You are coming very prematurely. The broader legal framework, if you go to according to the Constitution, we are having Interstate Water Dispute Act of 1956, which was enacted to give effect to Article 262 of the Constitution to enable the Union to provide a very specialized mechanism if any matter of adjudication is there with regard to interstate water, river water. The Act also emphasized prior negotiation, Section 3, and empowers the center to constitute a tribunal when settlement fails. Okay, so if first of all you both the states sit and talk, if that is not happening, go to what? Tribunal. Section 4, once notified, tribunal decision becomes binding on the party. Under Section 6, through practical enforcement often depends upon. Okay, recognizing delays and multiplicity of forums, the 2009 amendment proposals also sought to move towards a permanent tribunal. Now whenever a state is having a dispute with regard to river and river, ad hoc tribunals were appointed. The 2019 Interstate Water Dispute Bill says that there should be a permanent tribunal should be there, and whether this particular dispute of dam or any of the reservoirs will be there, the data should be collected by a institutionalized and very expert organization. That is also very right. Okay, this is all about the both of them are concerns are there at this point of the legal and the constitutional status of this particular interstate river water dispute of Cauvery. Now, if you see the challenges, lengthy adjudication, as I am very much aware of it because being a Telanganite, I know very well that how Godavari Krishna adjudication still is very fresh, very active since 1956. Today also Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is fighting with regard to sharing of the rivers. So lengthy adjudication tribunal often take decades. The Cauvery dispute itself is 40 years old, so you can understand that institutional arrangement like Cauvery River Management Board is all both these are not working. Enforcement issue is despite the act finality intent, the Supreme Court appellate review space is already there under Article 136 can prolong the closure and complicate compliance. Political non-compliance, state may refuse or delay release as critical, citing political compulsion, turning technical allocations into emotive flashpoints. Data disputes are also there. State contests rainfall, inflow, cropping data. Absence of universally trusted neutral scientific agency is not there. So Tamil Nadu is saying that our agriculture will lose a lot with regard to this. So there is no scientific backing to that. No one is there. They are just like lip services. Actually, the scientific study has been not done. If Mekedatu Dam has to go on, what actually it will result into, no one is saying. Fragmented institutions are there. Okay, Central Water Commission is there, Cauvery Water Management Authority is there, and many tribunals are there, often function in silos, creating lot of overlap and coordination gap. Climate variability is also there. Erratic monsoon, rising extreme undermines fixed volumetric towards. We never know that what kind of temperature will be there this way, what kind of rainfall, how much amount of rainfall will be there in the next year, we don't know. So because of the lot of uncertainties, because of global warming and climate change, every year allocating or reallocation of the river water is not possible. Okay, that is also one of the important contestation. Federal tensions are there. Upper riparian versus lower riparian conflicts intensify when new shortage is proposed in already allocated basin. Suppose I have given you 10 rupees, again said you no, you don't take 10, only 8 rupees. How you will feel like that? Lack of monitoring mechanism is not there. Limited real-time transparent enforcement reduces trust and encourages strategic behavior. These are all problems associated with what? Interstate water governance. What is the way forward which has already there in the bill? Some of them have listed. Establish a permanent nation water tribunal, under this has been given under the Interstate Water Dispute Tribunal Bill, okay, Amendment Bill 2019. Create a single independent hydrological data authority, specialized authority that will do the real-time monitoring and help the river management boards to reallocate water among the states. Strengthen the CW, Cauvery Water Management Authority enforcement powers with automatic rule-based consequences for persistent non-compliance. Promote basin level planning with joint reservoir operations and dynamic allocation formula that adapt to rainfall variability. Institutionalize center-state mediation through expert dispute resolution committees before litigation even escalates. Encourage cooperative federalism by linking central support to the states with tribunals and Cauvery Water Management Authority directions. Make joint appraisal mandatory, means every year these two states should meet and they should appraise, okay, if any new state project has been proposed. With pre-clearance consultation among the all stakeholder states. Ensure transparent environmental livelihood impact is also there. Like just like in an environment we do economic impact assessment, in the same way we have to do social impact assessment, and especially agriculture impact assessment need to be done. Okay, if whoever the downstream users are there, whoever the lower riparian states are there, these are a wonderful suggestions are there. You can directly write in the examination, or you can give the heading also you write. But in UPSC, if you write like this, that is more than enough. But for PSC examination, for group 1, you have to underline and you have to give a subheading. That is important. All of these, as I have already discussed before the starting, that's why I have not covered it detailedly. This is more than enough for the explanation part, because you are in the mains examination, you know that what is actually I am speaking. Some important points are there, 5 to 6 you have to learn for sure and go. Do join my classes, test series and mentorship. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.